Hey, Teresa Croft, thank you so much for taking the time to view this video. Real quick, just want to show you about video marketing and how we can help you have page one Google domination without pay-per-click. As simple as that. My name's Teresa Croft, my husband and I, David. We love to serve local businesses, helping them gain new customers. That's our number one goal. We are video marketing experts, and we'd love to show you real quick just some proof of our success, of showing you about the power of the internet. And if you're watching this video, you already understand it. You understand that Yellow Pages have been ineffective, that your customers are online and on mobile devices. You got an iPhone or BlackBerry, then you totally understand. We also understand that you can go on Google and pay for AdWords, and we understand the expense. So what we'd like to share with you is a proof to video marketing and how easy it can happen for you. Give you proof of Google domination of page one for highly competitive keywords, meaning keywords that people are really typing in, looking for solutions to their problems. Here's an example of page one. This is just the first half of one of our clients, and there is the second half. 9 of the top 12 listings on page one are the organic listings on the left. They're our clients. We did it for them. As you can see on the right, a lot of companies paying big bucks to be with AdWords. Let me give you another example real quick. We love house painters. We've got a number of them. This one just happens to be for a house painter in Louisiana. 7 out of the top 10 on page one of Google. Let me see if I can show you one more example. Play golf in North Georgia. Another domination of the keyword playing golf or play golf in North Georgia. So basically, we want to show you, have an opportunity just to explain in about 15-20 minutes the key to our online strategy. Explain the methods we use to generate the results using video and blogs and articles, explaining our 10 by 10 by 4 content creation with web video, and show you how easy it is. And then of course explain that lead capture page. This is the place that helps you gain your new clients, establish a relationship with them, and to the point where you have that loyalty and that trust, and they're referring your business to other people, your practice. They're sharing it with others because they're so pleased with the relationship that we have. So we'd love to share with you strategies that are proven and that work. Everything from blogs to podcasts to articles, yes, social media. And the great thing is we want you to focus on what you do best. That's your business, your practice, and allow us to do the work for you. So basically, just want to see if you are interested in looking for another key, discovering a strategy to change everything for you and your business or your practice. So vtcmarketplace.com. Now, you can check us out online, check out some of our clients. I have another video there that I'd love for you to see that it kind of explains their new media revolution. That's my husband David on the left talking to a house painter. We'd love the opportunity just to sit down 15-20 minutes, explain more, and see if this could be a solution for your advertising needs, a solution for you to gain new customers. I'm Teresa Croft. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.